Good morning, my dear students. Today, under surface chemistry, I am going to discuss the purification of colloids and its properties. I am Dr. R. Gunasegaran, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. So after the preparation of colloids, it is our duty we have to purify. There are two methods of purifications are available. One is dialysis, another is ultrafiltration. Let me go for first dialysis. The process of removing impurities from colloidal solution with the help of membrane, semi-permeable membrane, is known as dialysis. When a colloidal solution is taken a bag made of semi-permeable membrane and immersed in a dispersion medium, the ionic impurities diffuse through the membrane into dispersion medium, leaving colloidal particles in the pure form. This is called dialysis. See, this is the procedure. So we are taking a vessel made of semi-permeable membrane, dialyzing membrane is outer layer, and inside there is a vessel, and through which water we are passing inside, and here is water is going out. So when it is water is going out, it will pass through the membrane and wash away the the impurities, ions, leaving the colloidal solution inside the bag. So this way we can purify by dialysis. Suppose if you want to improve the quality, that is the separation, purification, we will use electrodialysis. Ordinary dialysis is quite slow, but it can be made quick by applying electric field. This process is called electrodialysis. The mixture is placed between two dialyzing membrane, while water is placed in a compartment on each side. There is one electrode in each compartment by means of which required EMF is applied. Electromotive force is applied. See the diagram here. The apparatus used for electrodialysis. The only difference is we are using two electrodes, anode and cathode. We are passing electric current, so that the same process that is taking place in the ordinary dialysis is taking place, but here, because of the electric current, the movement is very faster. So this is electrodialysis. Kindly follow. The ions of electrolyte migrate to oppositely charged electrode fastly, while colloidal particles are held back without moving. Thus, process of removing impurities from colloidal solution can be made quick by applying electric field. This is called electrodialysis. Finally, let me go for the second method, ultrafiltration. What is the ultrafiltration? Ordinary filter paper have pores larger than 10 to the power of -6 meter, so that the colloidal particles can readily pass through along with the ions in solution when filtered. Kindly follow. So when you filter through ordinary filter paper, colloidal solution also will pass through because size is 10 to the power of -6 meter. But the pores can be made smaller by impregnation with gelatin or colloid. That is, put it into gelatin or colloidin so that the hole getting narrowed. And this filter paper is called ultrafilter. The colloidal particle can be retained by this filter paper because now the size is become smaller. Instead of 10 to the power of -6, it will be 10 to the power of -8 or -10. It will come. So it will retain the colloidal particles. Kindly follow. Ultrafiltration is a slow process. Suction or gas pressure may be applied to speed up the ultrafiltration. The colloidal particles are left on the ultrafilter in the form of slime. The slime may be stirred into fresh medium to get back pure salt. By using graded ultrafiltration can be employed to separate salt particles of different sizes. Kindly follow. So this is the special apparatus for this ultrafiltration. applying, we can apply pressure with the help of this, and we can quickly separate this, purify the. Next, properties of colloids. Under the properties, there are three important properties to be discussed under this. One is optical properties, two kinetic properties, and three electrical properties. Let me concentrate first optical properties. Under the optical properties, we are going to study Tyndall effect. Kindly memorize Tyndall effect. What is Tyndall effect? They will ask. If a homogeneous solution placed in a dark is observed from a direction at right angle to the direction of light beam, it appears perfectly dark. You can see, I will show you a diagram, kindly follow. But now listen to the sentence. If a homogeneous solution, ordinary solution, is placed in dark and it is observed from a direction at right angle, so we have to pass light to right angles. So we are seeing and pass light coming should be in the 90 degree. It appears perfectly dark. Instead, if a colloidal solution is placed in dark, it is observed from a direction at right angle as in the previous case. It appears perfectly blue color. A blue color is observed. Kindly follow. This effect is called the Tyndall effect. Kindly see here. So we are having a vessel containing your colloidal solutions, and with the help of a light source, we are passing through a lens. It's called a Tyndall cone. Light is passing through this. So when it is passing through the solution, it is scattered by the colloidal solutions in all directions scattered. So I am viewing right angles to the direction of light. This is the eye. This is with the microscope. I am looking through the scattered light. I am seeing the color is blue color. This effect is called Tyndall effect. Kindly follow. This effect was first observed by Faraday and then by Tyndall. Hence, this effect is known as Tyndall effect. And the bright cone of the light is called the Tyndall cone. Bright cone of the light is called Tyndall cone. The Tyndall effect is due to the fact that colloidal particles scatter light in all directions. Please follow. The size of the colloidal particle is greater than the size of the light particles. That's why it is scattered. So let me go for kinetic properties. Under this, we have to memorize Brownian motion. The phenomena by which colloidal particles are in continuous random motion in a solution is called Brownian motion. Kindly follow. Robert Brown, a botanist, observed the motion of pollen grains in water when suspended. He only observed this movement. To honor Robert Brown, this motion is called Brownian motion. Please follow. So this is the actual movement of the colloidal particles. So imagine this is inside the solution. Kindly follow. There will be solvent particles. So when it is suppose moving here, there is a particle collide here, direction change is going on. The zigzag movement is going on. This movement is called Brownian movement. Third one, electrical properties. Under this, electrical double layer. The three important we are going to see under this electrical double layer, electrophoresis, electroosmosis we are going to discuss under the electrical properties. First, electrical double layer I will discuss. According to Helmholtz, the ion which are absorbed by the colloidal particles attract oppositely charged ion. An electrical double layer is thus formed. Kindly follow. Suppose this is the colloid. So it is positive. So outer it is opposite is negatively charged colloid will be absorbed. Kindly follow. Electrical double layer is formed. Since adjacent particles contain similar type of double layer, they do not condense because negative will repel. And this explains the stability of colloids. Kindly follow. So, Helmholtz double layer. Kindly follow. So now we can say the colloidal particles, they are positive in character. Colloidal particles are particles that are positive in character. So the negative layer, it is now, it is there. Kindly follow, surrounding the outside. So electrical double layer is called Helmholtz double layer is formed. So this is movable layer. This is the fixed layer. Kindly follow. So liquid medium. Now electrophoresis, that is, it is proved by Barton experiment. Electrophoresis is a phenomenon in which when current is passed through colloidal solutions in Barton tube experiment, I will show the apparatus later. The colloidal particles carrying specific charge migrate in the opposite direction and the medium does not migrate. Please follow. Electrophoresis is a phenomena in which colloidal particle moves but not the medium. That is called electrophoresis. This can be demonstrated by Barton experiment. Kindly follow. This is the experiment done by Barton. Electrophoresis of salt. So he has taken a U-tube containing 2 platinum electrodes and filled with deionized water, and inside there is arsenic sulfide salt. It is negatively charged salt. Kindly follow. Negatively charged. Arsenic sulfide is negatively charged. That's why I told you one classification of colloid. Positive colloids and negative colloid you have to memorize, I told you. So whenever you say arsenic sulfide, immediately you have to come to conclude the negative. So when you apply pass electric current, what will happen? Now the electrode, this is negative, will move towards positive. This is negative. So what will happen now? Kindly follow. This is the original layer. So what will happen now? It is now moving towards here. Kindly follow. This is moving from towards this side. Kindly follow. So automatically this much amount, this layer will move. Kindly follow. Because that shows that only colloidal solution is moving but not the solvent particles are moving. Kindly follow. But not the solvent particles are not moving. Electroosmosis. It's just opposite. Electroosmosis is a phenomenon in which when current is passed through colloidal solutions, the dispersion medium moves. Please follow, solvent moves. But the colloidal particles are prevented from moving by suitable method. Again by Barton experiment, you can see that. See here, this is the special apparatus used by Barton. Electroosmosis. As usual, we are having deionized water, platinum electrode. Electrode is positive, this is negative. Kindly follow. Now there is water containing wet clay is here in between both sides. We have wet clay. It is negative. Negative. Clay is negative. So what now? The clay is not allowed through to move automatically, but instead of that, the medium moves. Kindly follow. Because there is a membrane, that is a layer is there. Membrane is there. It will not allow the clay to move, particles to move, colloidal particles to move. But solvent will move. Kindly follow. This is the special. Kindly follow. So this is the original level. This is the correspondingly it is moved here. The solvent moves here to here. So this is negative. So solvent behave as a positive, move towards negative. So from here to here, the solvent moves. This is called electroosmosis. Coming for applications of colloids. It is useful in food, medicine, industrial goods, purification of water, artificial rain, and smoke screen. Let me explain in detail. Kindly follow. Coming as food colloids, milk, butter, ice cream, fruit juices, they are all colloids we are using in daily life. Coming for medicine, this also colloids. Most of the medicines are colloidal in nature. A silver salt, argyrol, is used as an eye lotion. Milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide, an emulsion used for disorder. That is the our disorder, it will prevent. Now, colloidal gold is used for intramuscular injection, and colloidal antimony used to cure Kala Azar. Please follow. These are medicinal applications. As industrial goods, latex, that is rubber, is the colloidal solution of rubber particles. Paints, ink, synthetic plastic, rubber, cement, etc. are colloidal solutions which are used in industrial. Photographic plates and films are the emulsion of silver halides. They are also colloids. Animal hides are colloidal in nature and are used in tanning industry. Soap and detergents are all colloidal in nature, which are used for cleaning purposes. Now, purification of drinking water. Water obtained from natural sources are usually contain suspended particle as impurity. Alum, kindly follow, is added to such water to coagulate the suspended particle to precipitate and make water fit for drinking. Kindly follow. Alum is the commonly used, which is a colloid to purify water. Then, artificial rain. It is possible to cause artificial rain by throwing electrified sand and or spraying a soil carrying opposite to that one on clouds from an aeroplane. Kindly follow. So we can allow to come artificial rain by two ways: by throwing electrified sand or by spraying a soil carrying opposite charge to that of clouds. Cloud is also the colloids which will have a characteristic charge. Opposite charge you have to spray from an aeroplane to get artificial rain. Then smoke screen. Smoke screen is a colloidal solution of solid particles such as carbon, dust, arsenic compound, etc. So, my dear students, I have come to the conclusion. Thank you very much for the kind cooperation you have given to me. So that finishes the surface chemistry. We will go for next topic, next class. Dear students, you are the newcomer for the YouTube. First time you are seeing the NEET Chemistry by Dr. R. Gunasekharan. Kindly, I request you, kindly click like, kindly click subscribe button and also share with your friends. I have started this channel mainly to help poor students of India to become master in chemistry. That's why I started the basic concept of 8th standard itself. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, all chapters I have taken. So under the basic concept of chemistry, I have added all the 8th, 9th, 10th chapters I have included. So it's a basic concept. So, but if you take your book, it's only 16 pages, but I have taken 17 hours, I have taken class. Please follow. Okay, so this will be very useful for you. So kindly inform your other friends also, particularly poor people. You need not go for tuition. You need not go for tuition, and you can study directly from YouTube. Please follow. Now, I want to give some information for the students who are waiting for NEET entrance examination for the coming academic year. That is students studying +1, +2 and +2 completed students, that is repeaters. We have a website called Vetri Daughters. Vetri Coaching Center is running in Pondicherry for the last 20 years. And if you view our achievements, go inside the home page of our Vetri Daughters. You can see every evidences. Let me give one or two evidence. Now, first evidence, every year 10 to 20 students are going to Jippan Medical College. through our center. 150 to 200 students are joining other medical colleges. Few students are joining IIT Madras, and hundreds of students are joining other engineering colleges. The second most important evidence I want to give, every year one of our students got All India the Pondicherry first rank. In 2003, one of our students got All India first rank in JIPMER. All India first rank in JIPMER. At that time, NEET and the common entrance examination was not there. Kindly follow. So this is the evidence I want to give. So now, important features of Vegetatus. Why we have to join Vegetatus? I will give some 3 features. So if you join, you will be getting minimum 600 to 700 marks. I will give guarantee. What is the first feature? So it is having 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. Kindly follow. You have 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. The video lessons are handled by professor with a PhD degree, 20 to 30 years of experience in coaching IIT medical as well as BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD students. When you see the video, for the professor, you can see the board, you can see, and he's writing on the board also, you can see. And if you want to take notes, please touch the video, it will stop. You take definition, for the equation, the diagram, anything, if it is new to you, because we are giving extra points up to BHD level. So that, again you touch it, the video will move. You can view the video any number of times. Kindly follow. We have 200 unit tests. So for example, in this case, surface chemistry. So we have test 1, they have test 2. Each test have 45 questions. Each question have 4 marks. So totally 180 marks you are writing the test. Kindly follow. All the questions that are taken for our unit test from 20 years of IIT questions, 20 years of AIMS, 20 years of AFMC, 20 years of AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. You can ask me one question. Sir, what is the advantage of giving the previous question papers? Because only from previous question paper, the type of question will be different types of question from different teachers throughout India it is asked. So all type will be coming. And another important observation of ours, for the last 6 years, NEET India question paper, we have observed 75 to 80 questions of same question from our question bank, Vegetatus, it is asked. So that means any student who is attending 200 tests in Vegetatus, minimum of 3 marks guaranteed. And if you are a very good student, you will get another for the 300 plus, so 600 to 700 marks you will get, it 100% guarantee. Even a weak students, you will get minimum 500 marks because 320 already you are getting, so plus 180 will get easily 500 marks. Kindly follow. This is the most important. Next, let me go for other important thing is, while you are writing the test, kindly follow, we have important information which is not available in other online tests. Kindly follow. When you go for test, if you click test, the number unit will be there. And what unit you want to attempt, just click attempt. Then it will ask question. This test carries 45 marks. Each correct answer 4 marks awarded, wrong answer 1 mark subtracted. Are you ready? If you say yes, click, immediately the window will open. In the window, you can see question number 1, option A, option B, option C, option D, and also the 3 other options menu will be there. And below there is another menu. Kindly follow. This menu is reverse, center is complete, menu it is written, and right side is next. Kindly follow. Below 1 to 45 number will be there. 1 to 45 number, color will be yellow. My dear students, so after the window is open, the clock will run. clock will run. You can see the clock directly. Starting from 45, then 44:59, 44:58, like that it will come down. So within 45 minutes, you have to complete the question paper. That is the rule. 45 questions, 45 minutes. Suppose if you observe that A is the correct answer, put a click. If you click A, immediately in the question 1 to 45 number, what's first number converted into green color, second becomes blue color. This is green, this is blue, all other remaining will be yellow. Then click next menu, second question, next third, like that. Here, kindly follow these provisions, please follow, not available in any other online coaching. If you attend any other online coaching, you don't know, they are not even given number. And you don't know whether it is attended or not, you don't know. Kindly follow. So here everything is provided to you. It is everything with your eye. So here I want to give 3 important informations or steps you have to follow. Suppose this is the NEET Government of India, let us assume. Or you are writing our test, Vijay.test test or NEET India. First let me go for NEET India. So 3 steps you have to follow. What way? First step, attempt botany first, zoology next, chemistry, then physics. Only theory question, known question. Let us assume out of 200 questions, only last year 200 questions are asked. Previously it was only 180 questions. Kindly follow. Let us assume now, you know only 100 questions is answer is known to you. Out of 100, 80 questions will be repeated questions from Vijay.test. Kindly follow. So you are having now with your hand 400 marks. They follow this step, botany, zoology, chemistry and physics, only known questions, clear questions. Then move second step, botany, zoology, chemistry and physics, the theory question, but with the difficulty. Think twice, thrice and logically think. And if you feel it is 80% valid, put a tick mark. And if you feel it is less than 50%, don't click. Second step is over. Third step, go to chemistry and physics, attend the problem. In chemistry, 1/3 will be problem, whereas in physics, the half of the 1/3 will be the problem, half of the questions will be problem. Kindly follow. This is normally the procedure. So, when you are working out your problem, write properly the formula, introduce proper units, do calculations, find out the answer. Just compare the answer with your option A, B, C, D. If answer you are getting is coincide with this option, put a tick mark. Otherwise, don't put. So this everything you have to do within the time given there in the NEET India government examination. Then after completion, put there may be a different menu, whether complete or submit or anything will be there. Finish, anything may be there. So that press that over, test will be over. You have to come out. But here, let me come back here. In Vijay.test, what is happening? Extra, what is happening? The same procedure you have to follow. Here it is what the same procedure. So when you are attending, suppose physics and chemistry, this step you have to follow. First, known questions. Second, unknown questions. Third, problems. You have to attend this order. Kindly follow. So after attending all the 45 questions, now click complete. Immediately, the window will open. A window will open. You can see the marks. Suppose you are getting 160 out of 180. That means 20 marks you are not getting. That means 5 questions you have not answered or something has happened. Kindly follow. So you want to know where you have done mistake or what is the correct answer you have done for each question. So we have a special menu called review or review. Kindly follow. That will be next to the marks. If you click review, again a window will open. Question 1 we can see. Option A, option B, option C, option D you can see. Then correct answer it is also will be given in yellow color. Then suppose if you click A is the correct answer, it will be in blue color. Kindly follow. If blue color answer, correct answer are same, you are right. If it is different, you are wrong. Kindly follow. Suppose you want to identify below the correct answer, there is a video solution. Please follow. This facility also not available in other online leading coaching center. Please follow. It is not available. Only with your daughters is having. If you click video solution, the professor with PhD degree and experience, 20 to 30 years of experience in IIT and NEET coaching, will handle the question paper. He will read the question, he will read the options, then he will guide you how to arrive the correct answer. He will give all the ideas and short method to arrive the answer. And also, he will explain with the diagram, with the definition, with all other evidences, everything, because minimum 10 to 15 minutes the video will run. So it is not a typed answer, it is a video solution. This is not available in other online coaching center. Please follow online coaching. There, single word or one line, that's all will be the solution. So if a dull student will not satisfied with this single word or line, probably toppers maybe understand that, but others they cannot. So here, by attending all the 200 question papers, the brilliant student, they can score easily 600 to 700. They can get JIPMER, Vellore or AIMS. If you are a dull student, you can get a minimum of 500 marks. So my dear students, so join with your daughters and get success to become a doctor. So another important information I want to give, it is a low cost, very, that is the most important. This is applicable for poor people itself, it can join. We are charging only 10,000 rupees per year. For all 4 subjects, 10,000. You can attend 200 tests, you can attend all the video lessons, everything. You can raise doubts, everything, only 10,000 per year. How to pay? Pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director of Veterinary Coaching Center, in Indian Bank account number 712719471, IFSC code IDIB000P134. And if any query or the clarification, contact cell number as well as WhatsApp number 989417645. So my dear students, join with your daughters, get success. So see you again in the next topic. Bye.